Time. Westwood around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Parchment and Comstock Northwest around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fulton, Comstock, Scotts, Oshtemo, Alamo, and Cooper. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.